there, guys. I'm Graham, and this is my good friend Steven.
Hey.
And we're gonna see if we can catch some crappie on this abnormally warm day in winter. Stay tuned. Alright, guys. First cast of the day. There he is.
Yeah. Man, that's a small one.
First fish of the morning.
Hold on, I'll zoom in. Alright. Alright, we're good.
Awesome. Alright. And we're just releasing fish today. We got plenty in the freezer, no need to keep any more. Two for two. Fly away. Ooh, yeah. Got him. Dang, man, sweet. Oh, pretty good. I don't know, like your cold. Or your bait. Yeah, it's a chartreuse and black. They're not big today, but they sure are fun.
Gotta catch me one.
Or you'll get one. I guarantee you've had a bunch of crappie. Look at that.
Oh, dang.
Right, we're trying a new spot here. Hopefully it holds some fish.
What the crap is going on here?
You know, big old hands are smart. Yeah, they're not dumb.
Yeah?
See that fish down there, check this out.
Want to get a video of it?
These people are really good, kind of good.
Zoom in.
Even if we zoom in, you'll be able to see this. We'll be able to see the details on it.
Yeah.
Oh, got him. What a monster. What a monster, guys.
That's it.
You know, I think I'm going to mount this one, guys. Look at that absolute beast right there.
That is the smallest fish I've ever seen. That dude's gonna get eaten by something these days.
There he is. They're not very big around here, but they're still fun. They're a lot of fun. Just throw this guy back right here. Catch him another day. Don't worry, we'll edit that out. Oh, there's another one on.
That's dang. You can edit this out, right?
Yeah,
Good.
I'll edit out all the crap.
Good. I just
So-
got hung up.
It's the average fish right there. Not too big, but they'll do for sure.
God dang it. Okay, there we go.
No. Ooh, yeah. Right on. Oh, I knew you'd get one right there.
guy just fell down. Stupid rod. Ooh, this is a big one.
Really? Oh, that's a nice one. It's a nicer fish there.
What is that, a slab?
Yeah. You been using a crappie nibble?
Yeah.
Alright, I guess that's why you catch them more. I need to put the crappie nibble on.
Oh man, this one's...
Dang! That's a nice fish there.
Yeah.
That'll do it. Not a bad fish. Pretty average size.
Ooh.
Oh, double up.
Oh, missing.
Yeah, these crappie nibbles are definitely making a difference.
Nah, I didn't
Alright.
put one on.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this one doesn't have one.
There he is.